In this tutorial, we will show you the step-by-step process of importing OLM files to Yahoo Mail using the Recovery Tools OLM Migrator. To install our OLM to Yahoo Mail converter, download it from the link in the video description. After installation, simply launch the software. To begin, click the Next button. This tool provides users with Select File or Select Folder options. Users can choose either one of the available options. Click Next. Check on checkbox to select the folder that you want to export. Click Next. Select a saving option allows you to save the file in your desired format for conversion. Let's select Yahoo option for this tutorial. Enter your Yahoo Mail account email and app password. Next, simply click the Convert button, and the import process will begin. Once the import is completed, you'll receive a notification indicating that the import was successful. Click OK and open your Yahoo Mail inbox to access the newly imported OLM file. Let's take a look at advanced filter options of our tool. Here, user can see multiple export options to be included or excluded in converted files, such as date range, from, to, subject, exclude folders, and others. And that's it for this video. Thank you for watching.